Era wanaru enkwana ya ebe kubatikana okorobekana okwa bereka okolekana nali arachokolekana gochia sama tukale bosi uruto okwana ni gate biruna nategerera koigwe biriro byaba Kenya unatokumanyigwa no mulikete Varin Osero
Gokwana se nyumba y'obrai State House imeo cho Nairobi omuraiwese Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigaine kiabune serikali nesire bali abasire tyobo yimana bali abatigeretwe chingoma asokorobekana okukwa bako ine kiwa chinsemo au imeyense ya Kenya.
The government of Kenya will support all those who've lost their lives and those who've been injured.
Kubwatikana na madeni ya Kenya bwate nigaine kiago choro wekiombe ekyo kirachigotuka igoro ya makabesa yo.
This audit will provide the people of Kenya with clarity on the extent and nature of our debt, how public resources have been expended, and will also recommend proposals for managing our public debt in a manner that is sustainable and does not burden future generations.
Korengana na Ruto gotuguterwa rewe finance bill nigo kogochia koirero koirana inse kwebango eyego sangererwa boigo amagendro imense ya Kenya.
The consequence of withdrawing the finance bill is the reduction of our revenue targets by 346 billion. Over the last few days, our Treasury team has been assessing the adverse impact of either reducing the budget by 346 billion in full or borrowing the 346 billion in full.
Ruto yobakago kwanira igatia maganyo yaba Kenya nigateba buna nigo barachigo tumeka chibesa icho barakabese asoko ine kiabuna beire kawikiraniwa.
We will use the money that we will borrow to protect funding for some of the critical areas that the people of Kenya have asked me to protect. They include hiring of junior secondary school teachers and medical interns, funding the milk stabilization program for our dairy farmers, reviving our stalled road projects that are in many parts of Kenya.
Nigo baigaine kia amaunchorerio ase chinsemo au chobokoreri we Serikali.
47 state corporations with overlapping and duplicating functions will be dissolved, resulting in the elimination of their operational and maintenance costs, and their functions will be integrated into the respective line ministries. Staff currently employed by the affected corporations will be transferred to ministries and other state agencies within government.
Chinga kiechboigo nigaine kiabuna murayonde wensibe Serikali tayora chigwancherwa asoko genda emechango au.
No state officer or public servant shall participate in public contributions or haramphase going forward. The Attorney General is hereby directed to prepare and submit legislation to this effect and develop a mechanism for structured and transparent contributions for public, charitable, and philanthropic purposes.
Aya nigago cha magega yabasabe kegoriya Genzi gokorokorobekana stinsemo au asekiria ba kwemurunganeria igoro ye finance bill na boigo ogokunga kubugima imeyense ya Kenya. Ngo reporter ya Ndizi TV Eriatriane Evelyn Osero.